going to be doing a video. You've been seeing a lot of these videos where the guy goes with the marker and he opens up the can. He rubs it and they say it's some, you're warming up the metal and the pressure in the can and it pops, and then a bunch of people say, ha 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 ha, I'm going to do this, or I tried it and it worked. No, it doesn't work. You got to watch what these guys are doing because they're kind of scamming you a little bit. So the first thing is you have to rub it. Oh baby, rub it really good right on this side. They don't really explain it, but this is where the can opens. The other thing that you don't really notice unless you're aware of it is they're jamming. Where's my finger? Let's try this. They're kind of jamming their finger into the can to build pressure. Because I did this for 5 minutes. Oh baby, and nothing happened. Oh my God. And then I did it again, and I put my finger on here and kind of pressurized the can, squeezed it a little bit, popped them within 5 seconds. Makes a massive, loud poof. Juice is going to spray all over the table when you do this, so just be prepared that if there's going to be a spray, there's going to be a shootout. This load of soda is going to come spraying out of here under pressure. But if you do this, it really doesn't work. They're squeezing the can either with their thumb or their finger over here to build up a little pressure, and then within a few seconds it should just pop. So let's try to get the camera a little closer. I don't want to ruin the camera, but you can see right now my finger is kind of over here, and I'm going to have a little bit of pressure on there, and that's going to make this thing, I don't really want it to spray. It made a mess yesterday. I don't want to do that again. Hold on. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm rubbing it really good right over here. Just right on the edge of the can. I'm going to put this over here so it doesn't splatter all over my room. I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to push it in over here a little bit. And the pop is insane. Where is it? Right over there. Why isn't it working? Oh, come on. Oh, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Why did it did this yesterday? It popped. Oh, come on. That's not working. I don't know. Now, I've done this a whole bunch of times. It's only worked once, so I don't know what I'm doing differently than what those guys are doing. Unless they're using a thin Coke can, and this is a much thicker Kirkland soda can. It's not even popping. Oh, am I tired? Oh my God, what's going on, world? Is it warm? It's all supposed to be about the friction. I put some lubrication on here and it didn't make a difference. Let's lube it up, ladies. Let's lube this can up. Oh my God. Woo, baby. Look at that. The explosion is so loud. It is loud. You can see how the thing popped out. So you really can't even use it at this point. Can you use it? Don't cut your finger off. Oh, out! Oh my God. Oh my God, I got soda in my arms. It's just bubbling inside. And that's how you do it. And my channel is the only channel in the world that has showed you how this isn't as easy as everybody makes it out to be. And that's why you want to join. Click the join button, click the like button, that thumbs up, subscribe, or if you don't want to do any of it, just go away. See ya.